When July rolls around, many gardeners start to think their season is coming to a close, the heat is at its peak, and it's easy to assume that the best days of gardening are behind us. But what if I told you that July is actually the secret weapon for anyone dreaming of a vibrant, productive fall garden? While most people are winding down, experienced gardeners know that this is the perfect time to plan ahead and set the stage for an abundant autumn harvest. Instead of letting your garden bed sit empty, you can use this time to your advantage. The soil is warm, the days are still long, and there's plenty of sunlight to give your new crops a strong, healthy start. By planting now, you're giving your fall vegetables the best possible conditions to thrive. It's a little-known trick that separates seasoned gardeners from the rest. Warm soil in July means seeds germinate faster, and the lingering summer sun fuels rapid growth. Your seedlings will leap out of the ground, establishing deep roots before the cooler weather arrives. This head start is crucial for crops that need a bit more time to mature, ensuring you'll have a steady supply of fresh produce well into the fall. As the days gradually shorten and temperatures begin to dip, something magical happens in the garden. Many vegetables actually become sweeter after a light frost, and the cooler weather means fewer pests to worry about. Your plants can focus on growing strong and healthy without the stress of summer's heat or the threat of hungry insects. Today, I'm excited to share 12 of the very best vegetables you can plant in July. These varieties are perfect for late summer sowing and will reward you with a productive, delicious harvest as the leaves begin to turn. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these crops are sure to bring new life to your garden beds. So, are you ready to transform your late summer garden into a fall bounty? Grab your seeds, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on creating your most rewarding autumn harvest yet. Beans are one of the most rewarding crops you can plant in July, especially if you're looking for a quick turnaround and a bountiful harvest before the first frost arrives. Thanks to the warm soil and long sunny days, beans absolutely thrive during this time of year, growing vigorously and filling your garden with lush, vibrant foliage. One of the best things about beans is their speed. Once you sow the seeds, you'll see them sprouting in just a matter of days. This rapid germination means you can enjoy a fast, late-season harvest, even if you're starting a bit later in the summer. For the quickest results, choose bush bean varieties like Provider, a favorite among gardeners for its reliability and productivity. Or try Contender, another excellent bush bean that matures quickly, often in as little as 50 days or even less. These varieties are perfect for squeezing in a productive crop before the season ends. To plant, simply sow the beans about an inch deep and space them a few inches apart in rows. This gives each plant enough room to grow strong and healthy, ensuring a better yield. After planting, keep the soil evenly moist. Aim for damp, not drenched. Consistent moisture helps the seeds germinate quickly and supports steady growth, but be careful not to overwater, as beans dislike soggy roots. If you have a bit more space and time, consider growing pole beans. These varieties need a trellis or support to climb, but they can produce even more beans over a longer period, making them a great option for vertical gardening. Once your plants start producing, harvest beans regularly. Picking beans frequently encourages the plants to keep flowering and setting new pods, so you'll enjoy a continuous supply of fresh beans. Another bonus of planting beans in July is that pest problems tend to decrease as summer winds down. With fewer insects around, your plants are likely to stay healthier and more productive. So don't hesitate to give July beans a try. With their quick germination, rapid growth, and generous yields, you'll be amazed at how much you can harvest before fall arrives. Beans truly are a race to the finish, and one that's easy to win. If you missed your first window to plant cucumbers earlier in the season, don't worry. July is your second chance to enjoy these crisp, refreshing vegetables. The warm summer soil is perfect for giving cucumbers a strong start, and with the right care, you can still enjoy a bountiful harvest before the season ends. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, cucumbers are a rewarding crop that thrives in the heat of midsummer. Cucumbers are true heat lovers, and when planted in July, they seem to rocket out of the ground, taking full advantage of the long sunny days. The warmth encourages rapid germination and vigorous growth, so you'll see seedlings emerge quickly and vines stretch out in just a matter of days. For a successful late planting, Choose quick-maturing varieties like Marketmore 76 or the charming lemon cucumber. These types are ready to harvest in just 50 to 60 days, making them ideal for squeezing in a second crop before the first frost arrives. Their compact growth and reliable yields make them favorites among gardeners looking for a fast turnaround. To make the most of your garden space, train your cucumber vines to grow vertically on a sturdy trellis or support. Not only does this save valuable ground space, but it also improves air circulation around the plants, helping to reduce the risk of common diseases like powdery mildew. Plus, harvesting is easier when the fruits hang down, and the cucumbers grow straighter and cleaner. When planting, sow cucumber seeds about ½ an inch deep in well-drained fertile soil. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during germination and early growth, to ensure your cucumbers develop that signature sweet, crunchy texture. Mulching around the base of the plants can help retain moisture and keep the roots cool during hot spells. One advantage of planting cucumbers later in the season is that you can often dodge the worst of the early pest infestations. Keep an eye out for cucumber beetles and aphids, but with healthy, fast-growing plants you'll have fewer problems. Harvest your cucumbers while they're still young and tender for the best flavor and texture. Overripe cucumbers can become bitter and seedy. With just a little attention and care, your July-planted cucumbers will reward you with crisp, juicy fruits that are perfect for slicing into salads, layering on sandwiches, or preserving as crunchy pickles. Don't let the summer slip by. Give cucumbers a second chance in your garden and enjoy their cool, refreshing flavor all season long. If your first zucchini plants are fading, July is the perfect time to start fresh. Zucchini loves heat, so quick-maturing varieties like Black Beauty, about an inch deep in rich soil. Mulch with compost to feed plants and retain moisture. Harvest young zucchini to keep plants productive and fruits tender. Remove oversized fruits to focus energy on new growth. A July planting means fresh squash into fall. Try it for your best harvest yet. July planted carrots become extra sweet as cool nights arrive. Keep seeds moist while germinating. Cover with burlap or shade cloth if needed. Choose fall varieties like Napoli or Bolero. Sow shallowly and water gently. Thin seedlings for room to grow. Weed regularly and water during dry spells. Leave carrots in the ground after frost for even sweeter roots. Harvest is needed for crisp, candy-sweet carrots all season. Kale planted in July grows lush and sweet, especially after a frost. Direct seed or transplant varieties like Winterbore or Lacinato, space plants a foot apart, mulch to retain moisture, and keep soil consistently damp. Harvest outer leaves first. Kale keeps producing from the center. With a little protection, you'll have greens into winter. Don't miss out on this cold, hardy classic. Broccoli shines in the fall. July is the time to start seeds for dense, flavorful heads. Start seeds indoors if it's hot, or direct sow in moderate climates. Choose varieties like Arcadia or Waltham 29, and transplant seedlings when ready. Space plants 18 inches apart, mulch, and keep well watered. After harvesting the main head, let side shoots develop for bonus mini broccoli. Fall broccoli is worth the wait. Give it a try. July planted cabbage thrives for a crisp, cool weather harvest. Pick storage varieties like late flat Dutch and space seedlings 18 to 24 inches apart. Keep soil rich and moist, and mulch to retain water and suppress weeds. Pest pressure drops as summer ends, making care easier. Harvest when heads are firm. Late cabbage stores well for winter meals. Make it a fall staple for slaw, sauerkraut, and hearty soups. Beets offer sweet roots and tender greens, perfect for July planting. Soak seeds before sowing, plant ½ an inch deep, and thin seedlings for best growth. Try Detroit dark red or golden beets for variety. Harvest greens young and roots when golf ball sized or larger. Beets handle light frost and can be left in the ground with mulch. Enjoy this versatile dual-purpose crop all fall. July is your last chance to plant Brussels sprouts for a fall harvest. Start seeds indoors or direct sow, then transplant 24 inches apart for airflow. Keep soil rich and moist, and mulch to regulate temperature. Remove lower leaves as plants grow to encourage sprout development. Harvest after a light frost for the sweetest flavor, picking from the bottom up. With patience, you'll enjoy homegrown Brussels sprouts this autumn. Lettuce isn't just for spring. Plant in July for fresh greens into fall. Choose heat-tolerant varieties like Buttercrunch or Jericho. Sow seeds shallowly, keep soil moist, and provide shade for better germination. Harvest leaves young for the best flavor, or let heads mature if it stays cool. Succession plant every week or two for a steady supply. With a little care, you'll enjoy crisp salads long after others' lettuce has faded. Radishes are perfect for July, most mature in just 25 days. Try Cherry Bell for speed, or Daikon for a fall twist. Sow seeds half an inch deep, thin seedlings, and water regularly. Succession plant every 10 days for continuous harvests. Enjoy edible seed pods if roots don't bulb. And savor milder winter radishes as weather cools. Quick, easy, and fun, radishes are a must for midsummer planting. Swiss chard is a July superstar, heat and cold tolerant, and beautiful in the garden. Sow seeds half an inch deep, space 6 to 8 inches apart, and harvest outer leaves first. Young leaves are great for salads, mature ones for sautés and soups. Chard's rainbow stems add color and nutrition to any bed. It fills gaps left by other crops and keeps producing into fall. Plant a generous patch for resilience, beauty, and steady harvests. 12 vegetables prove July isn't the end of gardening, it's the start of your fall harvest. With the right crops and timing, midsummer planting brings your most rewarding season yet. Get planting and enjoy a garden full of fresh flavors this autumn.